Thunker sang. The Taring Jinda Timbe Chik Chapode, on the Thunker later. Nam kin the Chasha Dashna, and it Handaraji Tunda Dita. Busy Chasha do Chakor Kain and some Tunga Latadi Chado, the Tunga Chitula, she Shabdo, Ani, Zebo, Lirim Tama Tadiche, visit of Chapor. But hello, name the beginning and Zota, and Zomzon other chegi Kokabdo, Yomada, name the beginning, Mimang with Zom Chogomade, Ani Nam Kundinashi, Tunga Sunza Chegi, and the Chagomade. Chezang Madang Customs Lanata, YouTube Kikining, a Hachizi Doshi Lana, Tanda Tinja Jira. Taring Chechik ni seba theme partala ngarangi YouTube nanglola Thunker week lani celebrate chigo samsra ani di nga khajila di nima thiringal nima nyentu ri lugai gi chashira ani inde do chigo samso nima chik khonsho gi ani pete portola ki je share ta nima shemba dilan khonsho gi ani quotation era yana khonsho gi sosha gi chikje da dinje portola ani lugu samso ani nima shemba di khonsho da je gi quiz the ende kortola ni thung ta loga gi lugai chashi do shira ani sangmalola ni to yongeda ani muti ni kyap kyo na ro na sheni an daring gi ni tung di khare chagi dulana ani ni pu khashi jigla ani khoran sugi khonsho gi quotation khoran chola jukshu chungga da ende kortola chagi dura an daring oti lugo samso da quotation khonsho gi quotation lugo samso an sangmalo ni yongeda ye ana muti ni tung di siro na ani kyap kyo na ro na tisnang
Today, on this very auspicious day, I would like to deliver an inspiring quotation by His Holiness the 14th Dalai Lama. It's stated, I quote,
"If you think you are too small to make a difference, try sleeping with a mosquito."
I unquote. Wish you all happy Thunker. Thank you.
Today I am going to read a quotation of His Holiness. I quote, "Don't treat people as bad as they are, treat them as good as you are." I unquote. Thank you.
Justly, I quote, "Success is not the key of happiness. Happiness is the key of success." Unquote. Thank you.
I quote, "My religion is simple, my religion is kindness." I unquote. Thank you.
Justly, there are lots and lots of His Holiness the Dalai Lama's quotations, so I will tell one of them. I quote, "Educating the mind without educating the heart is not education at all." I unquote. Thank you.
Today I am going to deliver an inspiring quotation by His Holiness. I quote, "The goal is not to be better than other men, but your previous self." I unquote. Thank you.
Peace does not mean an absence of conflicts. Differences will always be there. Peace means solving these differences through peaceful means, through dialogue, education, knowledge, and through human ways. The purpose of all major religious traditions is not to construct big temples on the outside, but to create temples of goodness and compassion inside, in our hearts. What we need today is an approach to ethics which makes no recourse to religion and can be equally acceptable to those with faith and those without. A secular